How can an Islamic business, or can it at all, make a profit?
Well, let's take an example. How does a bank make a profit if it's financing home purchases? If you're a conventional bank, let's say the borrower is looking for £100,000 to buy the house.
Yeah.
If you're a conventional bank, you give £100,000 and you take security over the house and you charge the borrower, let's just say 5%. So every year you pay £5,000 in interest payments. Maybe you also repurchase your property over time. So every year you put in another £5,000 and over 20 years you've bought back the value of the house. And then at the end of 20 years you own your house outright with no mortgage over it. What does an Islamic bank do? It says, I will buy the house, I will take title to the house, and I will take the risks of that house. Then I will charge you a rent, which economically is equivalent to the interest payments you would have paid had you gone to a conventional bank. And you can also repurchase the house over 20 years and pay me an extra £5,000 until you own the house outright. And that's a halal transaction because the bank has now acted as a merchant and not just a financier who's lending money.
I mean,